Side kick. Just like before, we're lying on our side. On the right side, your shoulder is lined up on the edge of the mat and your hips are lined up on the edge of the mat, and you're pulling in that waist so that you can feel some space between your waistline and the mat. And if you can't actually have space between the waistline and the mat, just imagine it. Just keep that core engaged so that your spine is straight and your head is resting on the top part of your arm. Your hand can be crooked under your head if that feels best. Your body is going to be stabilized by that upper arm, that the palm of your left hand is going to be resting right in front of your heart, and you're going to need it to stabilize your body because this is a challenging exercise. Unbend your legs, so your legs are going to be straight this time, but they're going to be at a 45-degree angle so that your feet are pointing towards the opposite corner of your mat. Your hip, knee, and ankle are all going to be stacked at that 45-degree angle. You're no longer in that tabletop position anymore. And this is a hard position to stay in, so you're going to be stabilizing with that top arm. You're going to be kicking that top leg. So you lift it up above the bottom leg, the right leg. So your left leg is lifted up just an inch or so, a couple inches above the bottom leg. You're going to flex your foot and bring it forward towards your head so that you're kicking up towards your head, stabilizing the best you can. You're only going to take that leg as far as you can while maintaining stability and that core engagement. It might not be very far at all. That's okay. You'll get better and better. So you bring it forward and then just do a little pulse so that you kick, kick. That extra pulse really adds intensity to this exercise. So you bring it forward, kick, kick, and then you point your foot. And as you point your foot, you pull it back past that bottom leg and past even your hip line if you can. This is very challenging, and chances are you're not going to be able to do it. You take it as far as you can, and the more you do it, the better you will get. So you brought that leg past the bottom leg and past the hip if you possibly can, and then flex the foot and bring it back in the opposite direction, kicking forward again with that little pulse, and then bringing it back past the bottom leg again. And breathing here, it is important, but the first part is to get the choreography correct. And then you can work on your breathing. It'll come. Just take it easy.